Pioneer AB Digital Surround Amplifier Power On. Pioneer AB Digital Surround Amplifier Power On. So nag-input ako sa CD tas ng Bluetooth receiver. So play tayo ng kanta.
Bluetooth connected.
Working lahat ng ano yan, ng speaker output, surround, center, front. Working lahat. May bass and treble siya oh. Tapos may DSP mode para sa surround. Mabay rin no? Smooth lahat ng ano niya, ng mga selector niya. Diba? Nag-DSP ka. All 2. Yan. Done. Scatter 1. Meron niya ano, lahat yan may gumagana lahat ng button niya, yung mga video, CD. Standard size. Random bolt. Scatter 2. DSP off.
Drift on memory bliss.
Nasa speaker A tayo ngayon. Lahat yan may gumagaya mga ano yan, VCR, DVD, video, satellite, yung mga selection ng audio input niya. So nasa anti-CD.
I think it's one of those deja vu things. Or dreams trying to tell me something. Will I ever stop thinking about it? I don't know.
Meron siyang pinaka main switch, tapos standby.
But we know what I would find.